everybody. Today we're going to present Mr. Wolf. I hope you enjoy.
Wolfie, what does the story of Mr. Wolf talk about? It talks about the wolf who won't travel the world. Did Mr. Wolf travel the world? Yes, he did. What is his first country he visited? It was France. Did he visit all the cities of France? No, he only visited Paris, France, especially the Eiffel Tower. Where did he go after France? He traveled to London, England, where he visited the Queen of England Buckingham Palace. Was he a happy there? At the beginning, he wasn't because the gardeners stopped him. But later, when he saw the queen, he was very happy. Then he arrived at Rome. Italy, ate ice cream, pasta, and delicious pizza. Then he visited our new home. Not at all. He went to visit the beautiful Venice. He went to see the museum and the gondola. What is the gondola? It's a traditional Venice boat. Did you know Mr. Wolf was first cat when he arrived at Egypt? Why? Because he was scared of the crocodile that was swimming next to him in the Nile. What did he enjoy there? He enjoyed sightseeing in the pyramids and Sphinx of Giza. That's interesting. Tell me what's the most beautiful country that you really adored visiting with Mr. Wolf? Oh, it was Kenya, Africa. My dream is visiting safari.